poor girl. Let's beat her, okay? I will help you. Here.
I will help you. I am sorry I didn't feed you for 1 year.
Here's
So
some food.
I will give you food. I did hard work for this. I am sorry. Here is all your food. I am also giving you a new bracelet.
Yay!
I am going out. I am going to work.
Okay, bye-bye. Hello? Uy, ba't pinapakita mo yung sa likod? Kasi ito yung eyes mo eh. Ito yung eyes mo. Oh!
I did hard work for this. My daughter, I did hard work for this. I will give this to you.
Yay!
Try this outside.
Okay.
Here you go. Do you like your new crocs?
Yes!
Okay. I will give you one more present.
Yay!
A new bike.
So quiet, guys. Mr. I'm just going to sleep, guys, okay? Magsasleep lang ako.
Hey, let's secretly get her food when she is sleeping.
Ako?
Let's go. We will feed her. Find some other stuff.
This one.
No, that is a plate.
This one.
Yes, okay. Put it there.
Wakey, wakey.
Hey, we made you food.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hold the camera.